Oh. Oh. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. This that shit that keep me young. Oh. Oh my goodness. I ain't had nothing to do all day but catch up on this drama, but that nature boy then unleashed on itself. Oh, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. Polite hit Nature Boy so damn hard with 2 equations and a few big words that this nigga got hit and time warped back almost a year. That nigga came out of his days thinking he was still fighting Young Pharaoh. That nigga like, shit. Fuck Young Pharaoh! Like, no, you're not even fighting Young Pharaoh anymore, nigga. It's Polite. Wake up! Wake up! See, Nature Boy, you should have took my managing anger class at U University, and it would have been completely different outcome. Even I would have been like, "That's my student, bitch. He a bad student, but he my student. Don't be doing my student like that." But it's like you turned around, chopped off your own ass, put it on a platter, and put gravy on it. Polite beat your ass into delirium. Big word! So much so that these niggas then start posting words and the meanings on the thing like the electric company. Nigga, you not Morgan Freeman. Polite went, bah! That nigga went, oh, fucking Pharaoh. No, nigga, Polite. Ain't nobody over there got sleep for 2 fucking days. This nigga been sipping on sauce for 48 hours. That nigga's so hurt, he is self-medicating with wine. Oh, Lord. Woo. Woo. Oh, it's a beautiful day. This nigga think we watching his ass for the goddamn lesson of the day. No, nigga. You are my entertainment when I'm not doing shit. And you might say, well, Fee, you might do shit. You might not do shit a lot. And I'll say, yeah, motherfucker. But I still get my bills paid, you motherfucker. Oh, I too worship at the church of Polite. Nigga, I gotta get money. You know, I have to get money. You know, I make money off that shit I tell people and that I do. So I ain't about to sit up here and say I'm going to exchange my morals for $100 bill. Fuck that. Nigga, somebody without morals is talking about exchanging morals for money. Nigga, is that the new scam? You own that land you own, nigga? No, you don't. Did you plant them trees over there, nigga? No, you didn't. Let them pregnant women get some goddamn sleep. And now this nigga now he has truly said he's about to put them babies in fucking danger. This nigga said in order to go do this birth, he gonna have to get drunk. Nigga, are you stupid? Oh yeah, you are. I'm a chatty patty. I'm a chatty patty. Because Captain Underpants has once again wet himself. You mean to tell me, nigga, during the time that your woman and your children are going to be in the most danger, you gonna get willfully drunk? And you don't see a problem with that. That was some shit that everybody in there was like, No, no, no. No. Once again, that nigga, you got, Polite gave you PTSD. Polite gave your ass PTSD. Then Young Pharaoh turned his ass around. and he hulked your bitch ass. Blah, 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 blah. You don't know me, nigga. Blah. Play the clip. Like, no. Don't play the clip. Wait a minute. Maybe you should jump your little ass back over in that teeny pond you were in. Because you about to go into a freshwater lake where there are real predators, my nigga. Real predators that don't bow down to you. We ain't your fucking yes men. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Post-traumatic stress disorder. You lie. What is nature? Was nature a big word for you too? Oh, my poor little boy. 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 Lord. Warriors are tactical. And warriors do retreat. That's some bullshit. Retreat is in the warrior's fucking handbook. I'm sorry. Just because some warriors don't choose to does not mean it's not in there. I get that a samurai goes forward. I get it. But that's a motherfucking samurai. Bullshit. I will live to fight another day. If I see that somebody is clearly intellectually fucking me, I'm good. We just gonna call this shit a discussion. We ain't about to call this shit a debate. I love you. I love you, my nigga. But, you this big for Sarnetta TV. I'm sorry. Sarnetta, Polite, y'all use that motherfucker for appetizer. What y'all got up? I'm sorry, I have to peep game. Cause ain't no way. Sonetta, did you set Polite up? What happened? What happened? Sonetta, you behind this. I smell Sonetta all behind this. This some Sonetta shit. Now don't get me wrong. Y'all Rosamboed that nigga. Y'all kicked him in the nuts. Ah! And he has been on a bitch rampage for 48 hours. That nigga been drunk for 2 days. Oh my God. This live entertainment is some shit, man. And I'll be the first one to tell y'all that's my word. Don't let nobody tell you they came up with it. This is live entertainment. Man. But I ain't gonna lie, you got it. Some of this has got to be fucking scripted. Nature Boy can't be this stupid, or can he? He shit on Nature Boy. I mean, I don't mean no harm, but you get hit like that in public, yeah, you come up staggering, forgetting where you at. I kept telling fucking Nature Boy, you can't keep changing the fucking meanings of words, nigga. And people understand you. You can't do that. You starting to speak a whole nother fucking dialect. And then I am learning the language of ancient African. Nigga, you speaking in tongues. Shut the fuck up. You sound like you having a seizure. Stop being an ass. I am the one who rides on the white horse. You do realize the one that rode on the white horse, death followed him. That wasn't Jesus. Pick a fucking battle, nigga. Pick a fucking battle. Because it wasn't less than a year ago everybody was fucking bisexual. You said that shit, nigga. You said that shit. Now all of a sudden you kicking people out of your room because you all of a sudden, I got woman. How am I gay and I got one man? I know a lot of gay men with wives, motherfucker. And I know a lot of women that don't mind marrying them for the carriage and the prestige to make sure they get along in life and go and have a couple kids just to seal the fucking deal. Nigga, you ain't original. I keep telling you, you ain't original. And your women's are just the damn type. Nigga, you so goddamn helpless, you can't wipe your own fucking face. But I think they wipe your face for you because they know you ain't gonna do it. Make sure you get around his nasty fucking mouth. I'ma say this once again. Polite is my new anti-hero. And quite frankly, Young Pharaoh coming in a real hot second. Nigga. Captain Underpanties. Stop being a bitch, nigga, and go to sleep. Because you running around now like a toddler. You running around now like a toddler who won't take a fucking nap. And every motherfucking adult knows it. Put his ass in that motherfucking rocking chair and somebody give him fellatio until he goes to sleep. Then maybe y'all can get out of there. Young Pharaoh said he'd get you a ticket. Shit, I'll help. But once you get here, don't call me, don't talk to me, don't do shit. I'm just helping to get your ass here. You ain't indebted to me. Don't be calling me Auntie Fee. I don't give a fuck about you, except to get you away from that motherfucker. Because each and every one of you little nigglets chose to be over there with that megalomaniac. Oh, sorry, big word. With that psychotic. Oh, sorry, big word. With that pedophile. Oh, shit, sorry, big word. With that asshole. Little word. I think I'm having way too much fun with this at this point. Oh, I wonder how long this rant's gonna last, because I'm gonna say it one more time. You was fighting polite. It was polite. Young Pharaoh was a few months ago. Wake up. Polite hit your ass so hard with 2 equations and a few big words that your ass woke up thinking it was a year ago, and you still got beef with Young Pharaoh. Young Pharaoh give a fuck about you. And now you want to debate Young Pharaoh. Nigga, we been there, done that. Again, you got hit so hard. You think it was about a year ago. Nah, my nigga. Don't worry. You know this was Sonetta's way of fucking with your ass for fucking up with one of his boys, right? This was Sonetta's payback for your bitch ass being you on his show. Sonetta set your bitch ass up. Sonetta literally threw your ass over the boat as shark bait. Literally. Now watch them. The rest of they things gonna have like words and the definitions in them. But I'll also say this. If y'all go watch some of my videos, you'll see that I've done that for years. If you watch it from a desktop, you'll see that I put in the word with the definitions under it so you understand. So nigga, again, you stealing motherfucker style. You ain't slick, but I'm gonna give it to you. Because if that helps you do what you need to do, please act like you watched The Electric Company just like I did. Please act like Morgan Freeman taught you to read. No, don't do that. Because if he did, you could actually read. Okay, I'm out of here, y'all. I just had to put this up right quick. This nigga, Polite, Br.Polite hit this nigga so hard that he time warped almost a year into the past. He didn't wake up. He ain't mad at Polite. He ain't even said shit about Polite. Isn't that the bully that walk down the street and get their ass kicked by the new kid, right? And then he go back picking on somebody that he think he can fuck up. You're such a fucking juvenile. And yes, I'm old enough to sit here and laugh at your ass. Oh yeah, my man is laughing at you too. Nigga, wake up! Polite beat your ass. It wasn't Young Pharaoh this time. I bet you won't talk about polite. Bet you won't. We'll be waiting. We'll be waiting for your passive aggressive ass to turn that anger where it should be. But I bet you won't. I bet you'll lash out at everybody else around you. But I bet you won't say shit to Sonetta. And I bet you ain't gonna say shit to Polite. Because y'all fucked up and you poked Young Pharaoh. And quite frankly, Young Pharaoh, thank you very much for appearing. He was so uncomfortable when Nature Boy was talking about busting his ass out. You can tell a heterosexual man when a gay man is insulting him. You can see it in the heterosexual dude's face. He's like, I don't even know what to say to a man that would talk about busting my asshole out. Heterosexual, nigga. The only thing I can do is shoot your ass after some shit like that. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, Captain Underpants has driven the spaceship into the mountain. And those on board were happy to fly and die with him. This is Fundife. And I always got my ear to the street. My ear to the street. My eye on the timeline after somebody has knocked somebody so motherfucking hard that I remember what time it is when they don't. My ear to the street. You're living like monkeys, living like monkeys, you're living like animals. And he ain't even upset that every woman around him is now lounging on the bed and not in a tent. Nigga, control your image. Your facade is slipping. Facade. Vocabulary word for the day.